Hello and welcome. In today's video I will show you how to update offline maps on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps and after that click on your picture on the top right of the screen, go to offline maps, and as you can see you will find here all the downloaded maps on your phone. And when you want to update one of them, you have just to go and click on the three dots near to it. And as you can see, the first option that you will see is the option update. And when you click update, in just a few seconds, it will update your downloaded maps on the app of Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. If you have any question, don't forget to put them in the comment section, and see you in the next video.